Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you valuable insights into the world of digital marketing. In today's video, we'll be diving into the essential topic of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO plays a vital role in improving your website's visibility and attracting organic traffic. So, let's begin our comprehensive guide to SEO. Slide 1. Understanding SEO. Firstly, let's understand the concept of SEO. It refers to the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, making it more likely to be seen by your target audience. Slide 2. Importance of SEO. Why is SEO important? Well, studies show that the majority of online experiences start with a search engine. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can increase your chances of being discovered by potential customers, driving more traffic to your site. Slide 3. Keyword research. Keyword research is a crucial aspect of SEO. It involves identifying the words and phrases your target audience uses when searching for products or services. By targeting the right keywords, you can optimize your content and improve your search rankings. Slide 4. On-page optimization. On-page optimization focuses on optimizing various elements within your website. This includes optimizing meta tags, headings, URL structure, and ensuring high-quality, relevant content. These optimizations help search engines understand and rank your site better. Slide 5. Off-page optimization. Moving on to off-page optimization, which involves activities done outside of your website. The primary focus is on building quality backlinks from reputable sources. Backlinks act as a vote of confidence and can significantly impact your search rankings. Slide 6. Technical SEO. Technical SEO deals with the technical aspects of your website. This includes factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and ensuring proper crawlability and indexing. These technical optimizations help search engines understand and interpret your site more effectively. Slide 7. Content creation and optimization. Content is king in the SEO world. Creating high-quality, relevant content that satisfies user intent is essential. Optimizing your content with targeted keywords, engaging headlines, and relevant meta tags enhances its visibility and ranking potential. Slide 8. Monitoring and analytics. Lastly, monitoring and analytics play a crucial role in SEO success. Tracking your website's performance, analyzing data, and making data-driven decisions are essential for continuous improvement. Tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights to help optimize your SEO strategy. And that concludes our comprehensive guide to SEO. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can enhance your online presence and attract more organic traffic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching.